From what I have gathered, the woman who kidnapped your small-time boyfriend is a woman that I can put in prison for the rest of her life if I choose to. But I decided otherwise because I do not want to interfere in the affairs of two lovers. Young man, you have to be careful. Huh? You have to be careful the kinds of people that you do, especially women. I look at you and I see a spineless young man. Who would have thought that you would have had something to do with a criminal? You went to bed with a criminal. You went to bed with a kidnapper, a low-life drug addict, Charles. What were you thinking? Even if you wanted to cheat on her, why a criminal? Why play with your life like that? Huh? That woman picked you up, tied you up, put you away. For a whole week, you could not move. You were disheveled. You were frustrated. She could have ruined your life if I had not intervened. Huh? I ask you, Charles.
Thank you. Thank you so much for saving my life. Stephanie and I parted ways long ago.
And I can't... please, I'm not interested in your love story. Okay? Every successful man has a story, and even the unsuccessful ones, like yourself, has a past as well. As we can clearly see.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.